Right, I see beams, I see joist hangers. Looks like they are getting on the top floor. Let's go see. All right, we're on the top of the top floor. Framing in progress. Today we're not going to move around too much because there's really nowhere to stand. So we'll just point out some things, some fun things. Now because this project consists of a rooftop deck, this level will be framed differently from a typical house. Notice everywhere there's beams and TGI still going in. Any other project having a pitch roof would see trusses or hand-cut roof rafters. In this case, we're making an entire floor. So this basically repeats what we've been doing for the last 2 floors, but now we're supporting an upper deck. As we finish seeing this level done, there's actually another level that goes over top of this flat deck, which forms the actual decking part. So there's actually 2 separate areas that form this roofing assembly. I'm pretty excited to get into that because that's when things get really technical. In the meantime, if you look at all the framing details, rim boards, just like you would have the main floor or the lower floors, they're all framed alike. So the rim boards wraps around the entire perimeter of the upstairs floors. Beams intersect with them. All the hangers have been put in place, ready for TGIs. So once again, we're repeating the lower floor and main floor framing. And once it's all put together, we'll see the sheathing in place and then another section of roof assembly on top of that for the final roof level. So check out this view. We have another 2 more feet to go before we actually get to the very top of the roof deck. I can't wait to check it out then, but you know what, for now, I'm loving it. This is a good time to show you why building a house with a flat roof or a flat roof with a rooftop deck costs more. Because look at all the framing we're doing. This roof level, if it was built like our neighbors, for example, with a pitch or hip roofs, will be very simple. They just drop the trusses in place, boom, finish. But right now you can see how much work it is to put together every single beam, drop 2 TGIs in there, put hangers, refine the stairs coming up. There's a lot of work when it comes to flat roofs. So if you want to know why, the additional cost, basically we're adding another level to the house, no differently from the main floor framing. Sure, it costs a bit more money to build a flat roof or an accessible rooftop deck, but you might consider the benefits of it. Look at this view. What do you put for a price tag on something like this? All right, let's check back tomorrow because we're only confined to this one spot here, but let's hope that we can get some TGIs in place, some plywood sheathing on top of it, and that we can walk around. But in the end, it's still 2 guys framing this entire job, so let's see how fast they can go.